I searched how to buy shares of Tennant Company to show the process. Tennant Company manufactures industrial and commercial floor cleaning machines and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TNC. This is an educational overview, not financial advice, and it does not promise any returns. You need a regulated broker to buy shares, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and must add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box to find the company by name or ticker. Type TNC and select Tennant Company from the results to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company profile, the price chart, and recent trading data. Confirm the listing displays Tennant Company and the ticker TNC before continuing. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. If there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.